warriors around, don't get caught in the mosh pit. Fuel to the fire, ain't nobody can stop it. Trouble in my city, but you know I'm across it. Got a 40 on my hip and I'm liable to spark it. Throw down these hits, my click is indivisible. I aim, you duck, I squeeze, now you invisible. I'm not afraid of getting physical. All these different chemicals are fogging up my visuals. Bloods on my hands, got slugs on my gunners. Yeah, we notorious, we ain't no runners. Bloods on my...
Hello guys, to get that edge screen function on any Android phone, first you need to download an app known as Edge Screen S10 from Play Store. Once you download and open the app, you can see various functions like this. You can also add that water droplet animation from the settings menu. Like the Samsung Edge screen, you can add your favorite contacts at the swipe of your screen. It comes in different colors and looks very amazing. And one more swipe, you get the real-time weather updates. And one more swipe, you will get the music controls. And at the next screen, you get a control center like iPhone, which really works. Almost all the functions are working properly here. And at the next screen, we'll get a compass, which is working. And going to settings menu, we can customize many things such as live wallpaper, notifications and other stuff. We can even customize the apps to be seen in the edge screen.
Life a game of chess, I'm not a plan of moves. Middle fingers up, I'm not a fan of rules. Fighting for the right to live in peace and not like animals. Bloods in my hands, got slugs in my gunners. You'll be notorious, we ain't no runners. Bloods in my hands, got slugs in my gunners. These warriors, they ain't no runners. Bloods in my hands, got slugs in my gunners.
And we can also add live wallpapers from this app. And that's it for now guys. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update on technological videos.